lily of the valley, let your sweet aroma fill my life. Rose of Sharon showed me how to grow in beauty in God's sight. And the fairest of 10,000 made me a reflection of your light. Grace all shine down on me, let your love shine through in the night. Lead me, Lord, I'll follow. Anywhere you open up the door, let your word speak through me. Show me what I've never seen before. Lord, I want to be a witness. You can take what's wrong in me and make it right. Grace star shine down on me, just let your love shine through me in the night. Oh, I see your world is dying, wounded by the master of deceit. Groping in the darkness, haunted by the years of past defeat. But then I see you standing near me, Lord, shining with compassion in your eyes. Yeah, I pray, Jesus, shine down on me. So let your love shine through me.